Hello friends, welcome to Braincraft. Today we are creating a new 3D design. As you can see on the screen, now we have to create this design on the Fusion. So first of all, go to create section, select the plane, create a random L-shaped line, go to dimension section, give dimension to this line 90 mm and this line 78 mm. Go to modify section, offset the object with the dimension 13 mm. Now hide the dimension and constraint from the sketch palette. Join the points with the help of line. Finish the sketch. Now we have to extrude the object with the dimension of 126. Now select the front plane, create a sketch and create a circle of dimension 50 mm and another circle with the same center of 38 mm. Now give dimension from this side 63 and from this side 38. Now create another circle with this center of 18 mm. Now create line of dimension 10 at both the ends of the circle. Now join with the line to the circle. Trim the extra portion of the circle. Go to home section. Finish the sketch. Extrude this object with 25. Extrude the circular portion with the dimension of 38. Now we have to use another command. Go to construct section, offset plane, select plane and give dimension 63. Now create a sketch, select the plane, project the object on it. Now join the line. Now we use the another command called rib. Go to create section, select the rib tool, select the line and rib with the dimension of 25. Cut the extra portion. In extend type, select all. Circular portion also be extruded. With extend type all, fillet the edges with the dimension 25. Now according to our design, create holes on the both planes. So first select the plane, create hole. Distance from this side is 19 and from this side is 25 and extend type all and the diameter of this hole is 18. Now we have to create a mirror image of this hole. So go to create section, select the object, Select the mirror plane. Now we have to create hole on this plane. 19 distance from this side and 25 from this side. Extend type all and diameter of this hole is 18. To create mirror image of, select the object, select the mirror plane. Now as you can see, we have created the similar image on the Fusion. You can hide the plane with the help of this section. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.